Good morning, 6th standard student. Today we are going to start our learning process. Actually, always we are learning, but today we are going to start with our favorite subject, that is mathematics, and the name of our first chapter is Knowing Our Numbers. Counting things is easy for us now. We can count objects in large numbers. For example, the number of students in the school, and represent them through a numerals, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also communicate large numbers using suitable number names also. We use numbers and know many things about them. Numbers help us to count concrete objects. They help us to say which collection of objects is bigger and arrange them in order like first, second, third, etc. Numbers are used in many different contexts and in many ways. Think about various situations where we use the numbers. Okay. We enjoyed working with numbers in our previous classes. We have added, subtracted, multiplied and divided them. We also looked for patterns in numbers, sequences, and done many other interesting things with numbers. In this chapter, we shall move forward on such interesting things with a bit of review and revision as well. Okay, so today we are going to start with our first point of our Knowing Our Numbers chapter. Look at here. Comparing numbers. As we have done quite a lot of this earlier, let us see if we remember which is the greatest among these. Look at here the first example. 92, 392, 4,456, 89,742. While reading these numbers, we get the answer, that is 89,742 is the greatest answer. Look at here. They shows us like that 89,742 said that I am the greatest. The second example is 1,902, 1,920, 9,201, 9,021, 9,210. In this given examples, we can see that the digits are same. Which digits are used? That is 1, 9, 0, 2. Out of these 4 digits, they make us lots of numbers. And now we have to find out which is the greatest. And you can see this, that 9,210 said that I am the greatest. So we know the answers. Okay. Look at here carefully. Now we have to find out the number which is the greatest and smallest. Try this. Can you instantly find the greatest and the smallest number in each row? Look at here. They solve the first example. 382, 4,972, 18, 59,785 and 750. Now they show answer also. 59,785 is the greatest and 18 is the smallest. Now we have to find out the answers of some questions as like the first one. The second is 1,473, 89,423, 100, 5,000 and 310. Now we have to find out the first one, that greatest number. And the greatest number is, yes, absolutely correct, 89,423. Correct. And which is the smallest number? Of course, very easy, that is 100. Very good. The third question. 1,834, 75,284, 111, 2,333, 450. Which one is the greatest? Absolutely correct. The greatest number is 75,284. Very good. Now I am going to write here that 75,284 is the greatest number. Then tell me which is the smallest number? Absolutely correct. That is 111. Very good. The last question. 2,853, 7,691, 9,999, 12,002, 124. Which one is the biggest or greatest? Yes, correct. That is 12,002 is the greatest number. And which one is the smallest number? Can you tell me which one is the smallest number? Or can you identify that number? Yes, very good. It is 124 is the smallest number. Very good. Was that easy? Was that easy? Yes. But why was it easy? Because already we have studied it earlier and you are such a brilliant student. So you can solve it very well. But we just look out at that numbers of digit and found the answer. The greatest number has the most thousands and the smallest is only in hundreds or in tens. Okay, now we are going to solve such one more question. Look at here carefully. How do we compare 4,875 and 3,542? Okay, this is also not very difficult. These two numbers have the same number of digits. Good. Look at here. 4,875 consists 4 digits, that is 4,875, and 3,542 also consisting 4 digits, that is 3,542. They are both in thousands. Is it right? But the digit at the thousand place in 4,875 is 4, which is greater than that in 3,542. Look at here. In this number at the thousand place, that is 4 number is there, and in 3,542 at the thousand place there is a 3 number. And if we compare the 4 and 3, we get the answer that 4 is the greater than 3. Therefore 4,875 is greater than 3,542. Do you get this? Okay. Next, tell which is a greater, 4,875 or 4,542? Yes, 4,875 is more bigger than or greater than 4,542. Here too the numbers have the same numbers of digits. Okay, that is 4. The digits at the thousand place are same in both. Look at here. In this number 4,875, at the thousand place there is a 4 number, and also in this number in 4,542 is at the thousand place there is a 4 number. Okay, so how do we do then? We move to the next digit. Yes, that is to the digit at the hundred place. The digit at the hundred place is greater in 4,875 than in 4,542. Look at here. In 4,875 at the hundred place there is a 8, and in 4,542 at the hundred place there is a 5. So we can say that 4,875 is greater than 4,542. Okay, find the greatest and the smallest number. Okay, the first question is, 4,536, 4,892, 4,370, 4,452. The numbers have the same number of digits and the digits at the thousand place are same. Is it right? Now we have to move the next digit, that is to the digit at the hundred place. Look at here. In the first number at the hundred place there is a 5, here is the 8, here is the 3 and here is the 4. And if we compare 5, 8, 3 and 4, the 8 is the greater and 3 is the smaller. Okay, so which one is the greatest? 4,892. And which is the smaller? Yes, 4,370. Do you get this? As like that, second, 15,623, 15,073, 15,189, 15,800. Again, the digits at the thousand place and 10,000 place are same. And we have to move the next digit, that is to the digit at the hundred place. In this number at the hundred place, here is the 6, here is the 0, here is the 1 and here is the 8. Okay, now tell me which one is the greater? If we compare the 6, 0, 1 and 8, then 8 is the greatest digit. So 15,800 is the greatest digit. And which one is the smaller? Absolutely correct. 15,073 is the smaller. Okay, as like that you have to solve this C and D in your notebook. I will wait for few seconds. You have to write that questions in your notebook and you have to find the greatest and the smallest number. Okay. Next, if the digit at the hundred place are also same in two numerals, then what we have to do? Okay, look at here the question. Compare 4,875 and 4,889. Now we have to move at the digit which are present at the tens place. Look at here. In this, at the 10th place, here is the 7 and here is the 8. So which one is bigger? Absolutely, that the number at the tens place which consists the greatest digit, that is 4,889. And if we compare the 4,875 and 4,879, it is also very easy. Absolutely correct. 4,879 is the correct. How many numbers can you make? We can make many numbers. Okay, look at here carefully. Suppose we have 4 digits, that is 7, 8, 3, 5. And using these digits, we want to make different 4-digit numbers such that no digits are repeated in number. Look at here carefully. From these digits, we have to make 4-digit numbers, but we cannot repeat that number. Okay. Thus, which digit can we make? 7,835. Look at here. Okay. But 7,735 is not, because 7 is the repeated number. Now we have to make as many as number. Look at here. Now we are going to form as many as number here. Okay. How many numbers we can make? They have already given the first numbers, that is 7,835. Which will be the next? Okay. 7,385. Another what we can make, um, 7583, again 7538, 7853, 7500, no, 358. As like that, I can make also from I can make many numbers which are getting start from 8, 8735, 8573, 8375, as like that, so on. You can make many numbers. Okay, but from those numbers, can you tell me which one is the greatest? Yes, that is, say, 8735 is the greatest number from this given list. This one is the greatest number, because at the thousand place there is a greatest digit, that is 8. And you can make many numbers and think about that arrangement of the digits, and make many numbers as you can. Okay, now we are going to our going to solve our activity, or try this. Use the digits without repetition and make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. Look at here. Okay, I'm going to write answer here. A. Which one is the greatest? To find out, okay. The first one, the first sum shows the 4 digit, that is 2874. To make a greatest number, we have to start from the greater digit. Okay, which is the greater digit? That is 8. After it, which number will come? 7. We have to put that digits in a descending order to make the greatest 4-digit number. Listen here carefully. To make the greatest 4-digit number, or greatest number, we have to arrange that digits in a descending order. And to make the smallest numbers, we have to arrange the digits in a ascending order. Look at here carefully. Afterwards, 8, 7, 4, 2. This one is the greatest. Okay, I will write here greatest. Which one is the smallest? So I have to start from the smaller digits, that is 2, 4, 7, 8, which is the smallest. Okay, the next. Okay, I'm going to solve this third one because it is considering 0. And this second example B, you have to solve in your notebook. Okay, look at here. I'm going to solve that C question. That tell us to make a greatest and smallest number from the 4 digits, that are 4750. Okay, listen carefully. When they give us a 0 digit, okay, so we should not start from the 0, because if we start to make a number from the 0, it will be not a 4-digit numbers. Look at here, they give us a hint. 0754 is a 3-digit number, not the 4, because if we considering that 0 at the starting of the place, that we should not count that place while reading the number. Okay, so if we start any number from the 0, it will be the smallest, or it will be the it will not consider that as a 4-digit number. So how we can make the greatest number? Look at here. From this given digit, the greatest digit is 7. Afterwards 5, then 4, then 0. It is the greatest number. And which one is the smallest? Okay, the smallest digit is 0. But already we have learned that we should not start the number from 0. So after 0, which number will be the smallest from the given digits? That is 4. And afterwards 4, I can write here 0. Then 5 and 7 is the smallest digit. Okay, do you get this? Now, other remaining sums you have to solve in your notebook. Okay. Now, make the greatest and the smallest 4 digit by using any one digit twice. That means we have to make the 4 digit numbers by using any digit twice. Okay. Now, just listen carefully. When we are going to make the greatest number, we have to use greatest digit for the 2 times. And when we are going to make a smallest number, we have to use smallest digit for the 2 times. You get this? Now we are going to make here the greatest 4 digit numbers from the 387. Look at here the first question, that is A. They give us 3 digits, that are the 3 at 7, and we have to make the smallest and greatest 4 digit numbers by using any one digit twice. If we are going to make the greatest number, that means we have to use the greatest digit for the 2 times, and that is 8. That means I have to use that 8 for the 2 times. Then I can use 7 and 3. That means 8873 is the greatest digit. Now which one is the smallest? From the 387, the 3 is the smallest, so I have to use that 2 times. Then afterwards I can write here 7 and 8. That means 3378 is the smallest digit. Okay, now I'm going to use here again C question. I'm going to solve C question. Look at here carefully. They give us 0, 4 and 9. These are the 3 digits, and I have to make the greatest number. The greatest number is 9. So I'm going to use that 9 number for the 2 times, that is 9940. It is the greatest digit. And which one is the smallest? I cannot use 0 to start the numbers. Already we have studied it. After 0, that 4 is the smallest number, that is the 4. So I have to use 4 2 times. But look at here, in the given digits there is a 0. So I can use that 0 number now for the 2 times, that is 4. I have right here 2 times 0, and then 9, which is the smallest. Question number 3. Make the greatest and the smallest 4 digit numbers using any 4 different digits with conditions as given. Look at here carefully. They give us a first condition, digit 7 is always at 1 place. Okay. So look at here, ones place there is a 7, and here I can use any digits. Okay, note the number cannot begin with the digit 0. Why? Because already we have studied that if we start the 4 digit numbers from the 0, it will be the not 4 digit numbers, it will be 3 digit number. It will be considered as a 3 digit number. Look at here question number B. 4 digit is always at tens place. Look at here, at tens place they give us here 4. So we have to find out the greatest number. So I can write here 9. Okay. Here I can also write the 9 number again. Here is the 9. Here I can write here 8, or here I can write 6. Any digits you can write. The smallest digit, smallest number at the tens place there is a 4. So I can write here 1 or and here is the 4s, and I can write here again 2. It will be the smallest number, or you can write here also. Look at here. The digit 9 is always at 100 place. Greatest number here is the 9. So I can write here also 9. I can write here also 9. And I can write here also 9 to make a greatest number. And to make a smallest number, I can write here 1. I can write here 1. And I can write here 1, same. It will be the smallest number. The digit 1 is always at 1000 place. The greatest number 1 here, I can write here 8, I can write here 6, or again 8, I can write here again 8. I can write here to make a small number 1, I can write here again 1, I can write here again 1. You can write any digits to make the greatest and smallest numbers, but we have to just concentrate on the condition whatever they are given. Okay. Okay. This question that you have to solve in your notebook. Take two digits that are 2 and 3 and make 4-digit number using both the digits equal number of times. Okay. 4 digits numbers, if we can make a part 2 and 2, which makes 4, that means if they give us a condition that digits should be used in equal number of times. If I'm using digit 2 for the 2 times, then I have to use the 3 digits for the 2 times. Okay, if I use the digit 2 for the 3 times, but how can we use the digit 3 for the 3 times? 3 and 3 will be makes a 6-digit numbers, and I have to make the 4-digit numbers. So 2 and 3 digits will be used for the 2 times to fulfill that condition. So which one is the greatest numbers? So between 2 and 3, 3 is the greatest numbers, and I will use that 3 digit for the 2 times, that is 3 3, and afterwards 2 2. That means 3322 is the greatest number, and 2233 is a small number. Now tell me, which one, how many different numbers can you make in all? There will be the most important question. Just try to yourself and tell me how many different numbers can you make in all. Okay, so you have to solve this in your notebook, and if you have any query you can ask me. Okay, listen carefully. When school will reopen, I'm going to check your notebooks, and you have to solve this, try this and exercise in your notebook. Stand in a proper order. Who is the tallest? Who is the shortest? Look at in this picture. Ramhari, his height is 160 centimeter. Dolly's height is 154 centimeter. Mohan's height is 158 centimeter, and Shashi's height is 159 centimeter. So, tell me, who is the tallest? Yes, correct. It is Ramhari. Okay. Who is the shortest? Yes, it is. She is Dolly. Okay. From the given pictures, you can easily find out which is the tallest and shortest. But from the given figures, that is 160, 154, 158 and 159, I also can find out that who is the tallest and shortest, because the tallest person having the greatest number from the of the height, that is 160, who is considering by Ramhari, and Dolly is the shortest, whose height is 154 centimeter, and 154 is the shortest number from the given heights of the boys and girls. Can you arrange them in increasing order of their heights? Yes. The first will be, I will write here the answer of here. We have to find out the increasing order. That means we should start from the smaller or the shortest humankind, that is Dolly. Afterwards I can write Who will be there? Mohan. Yes, Mohan. Then Shashi. And then Ramhari. This is the increasing order of their heights. Very good. Now I will write here question number B. I am going to solve it. Can you arrange the decreasing order of their heights? Yes. So what will this that is Ramhari, then Shashi, then Mohan, and then last one is Dolly. This is the decreasing order. Do you get this? Okay, very good. Now look at here, which to buy. Sohan and Rita went to buy an Almira. There are many Almira available with their prices tags. Almira, that means the cupboards. Okay. Here are the some cupboards. They give us the pictures of Almiras and they give us also their prices. Can you arrange their prices in increasing order? Yes. Can you arrange their prices in decreasing order? Yes. That means these both questions you have to solve in your notebooks and write the answers. When school will reopen, I will check it. Okay. But you can stop this video and you can solve this example in your notebook. I know that you doesn't have your textbook with yourself. Please stop this. You can please by stopping this video, just you can solve these questions in your notebook. Look at here carefully. Very important that ascending order means arrangement of the from the smallest to the greatest, and descending order means the arrangement of from the greatest to the smallest. This is very important for the multiple choice questions. Okay, the next one, arrange the following numbers in a ascending order, and the question, arrange the following numbers in a descending order. Okay, these four examples again you have to solve in your notebooks. So try yourself, and if you have any queries you can ask me in comment box. You can write in comment box. Our next point is shifting digits. Okay, look at here. The digits are given as 7, 9 and 5. Okay, before that, and after exchanging the first and the third tiles we get the 5, 9, 7. That means if you exchange the digits, we we can make a many numbers and we can find out the smallest and greatest also. We know that the beyond 99 there is no two-digit numbers. 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Similarly, the greatest three-digit number is 999 and the greatest four-digit number is 9999. What shall we get if we add 1 to 9999? Look at here the pattern. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So and 10 into 1, the answer will get same, that is 10. So 99 is plus 1 is 100 and 10 into 10 is also 100. 999 plus 1 is 1000 and 10 into 100 is also 1000. That means if we add the 1 to the greatest digit number, so we get the smallest digit numbers of the that which are that increasing by 1. Look at here, the greatest single digit number plus 1 which gives the smallest two digit number, that is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Greatest two digit number plus 1, it gives us smallest two digit number, that is 99 plus 1, it gives us 100. Greatest three digit number, that is 999 plus 1, it gives us smallest four digit number, that is 1000. Okay, Should not we then accept that on adding 1 to the greatest 4-digit numbers, we will get the smallest 5-digit number, that is 9991 plus 1, we get 10,000. And new number which comes next to the 9999 is 10,000, and it is called 10,000. Further we accept 10,000 is equal to 10 into 1,000. From that, we are going to revisiting the place value. Look at here carefully. 78 is equal to 70 plus 8. 8 is at the ones place and 7 is at the tens place. That means I have to multiply this 7 by 10 because it is at the tens place. And tens place, that means multiply by 7. And plus 8, and 8 is at the ones place. So if I am multiplying this 8 by 1, I will get the same answer, that is 8. Similarly, look at here carefully. 278, I will as like that write here 2 at the 100 place, so I have to write here 200. 7 is the at the tens place, so I have to write here 70. And 8 is the 8th place, so I have to write here 8. Instead of I can write as like I can write 200, that means 2 into 100, 70 that means 7 into 10, and plus 8. Look at here, 8 is that ones place, so I will write as it is, that is 8. 7 is the tens place, so I will write here 7 into 10. And 2 is at the 100th place, so I will write here 2 into 100. And it is the place value of each digit. Look at here, 5278. 5 at the 1000 place, so I will write here 5 into 1000. 2 is at the 100 place, so 2 into 100 plus 7 at the tens place, so 7 into 10, and plus 8 is the ones place, so I will write as it is 8. So with the help of this, we can easily find out the which different place value of different digits. Okay. So look at here carefully. Here is the 20,000. Expansion is 2 into 10,000 because 2 is at the place of 10,000. 26,000. 2 is at the 10,000 place, so 2 into 10,000, and 6 at the 1,000 place, so 6 into 1,000. Look at here carefully. 38,400. 3 is at the 10,000 place, so I will write here 3 into 10,000. 8 is at the 1000 place, so I will write here plus 8 into 1000. Again 4 is at the 100 place, so I will write here 4 into 100. As like that, you have to solve these sums. Look at here carefully. Write down in your notebook. These are some examples. That is, the first one is 50,000, 41,000, next 47,300, 57,630, 29,485, 29,085, 20,085, 20,005. You have to write their number name and expansion as this way. Okay. As this you have to make the table, and you have to solve this other examples as like way. Look at here the question. Write the number name and expansion. Okay. Our next point is introducing 1 lakh. As like that, if any number is at the lakh place, so if we have to write here, look at here 3 lakh. 3 is at the lakh place, so I have write here 3 into 1 lakh. 3,50,000. So what will be the expansion? 3 into 1 lakh, because 3 at the lakhs place, 5 is at the 10,000 place, so I will write here 3 into 10,000. Again, look at here carefully. 3 lakh 53,500. 3 at the lakhs place, so I will write here 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 at the 10,000 place, so I will write here 5 into 10,000. Again 3 is at the 1000 place, so I will write here 3 into 1000. 5 is at the 100 place, so I will write here 5 into 100. As like that, you have to solve these examples also in your notebook with making columns, number, number name and expansion. The first example is 4,57,928. Second is 4,07,928. Third one 4,08,29. And fourth one is 4,29. Okay, you have to solve this in your notebook. Okay, the larger numbers. Look at your complete. We have to complete that pattern. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 999 plus 1 is 1000. 999 plus 1 is 10,000. Again 99,999 plus 1, I will get here 1 lakh. Again 9,99,999 plus 1, I will get here again 10 lakh. And as like that 99,99,000 plus 999 plus 1, it gives us 1 crore. Look at here, remember 100 is equal to 10 tenths. That is, so easily we can write here 10 tenths, that means 10 into 10. 1000, that means 10 hundreds, that means 10 into 100. 110, that means 10 into 100. So I will get the same answer. 1 lakh means 100,000, that is 100 into 1000. 1 lakh means also 1000 hundreds, that is 1000 into hundreds. 1 crores, that means 100 lakhs, that means 100 into 1 lakh. Okay, and 1 crore means 10,000 thousands, that means 10,000 into 1000. Okay, as like that we have to remember that these places. Okay, now look at here expansion. We can also make a columns of ones, tens and hundred place. Look at here, for the number 257. Look at here, there are the 3 digits. That means we have to write the 3 digits place, that is ones, tens and hundreds. And we write here at the ones place there is a 7, tens place there is a 5, and at the hundred place is 200. The expansion will be 2 into 100, 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1. As similarly for 2902, there are the 4 digits. So I have to write here 4 digit place, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So expansion will be of 2902 is 2 into into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Look at here carefully. One can extend this idea to numbers up to lakh as in the following tables. We can let us call them a placement boxes. Now we are going to fill the entries in this blanks left. The number is 7,34,543 and the other number is 32,75,829. Look at here carefully. We are going to arrange these numbers at their digit places. But to arrange that digit places, we have to start from the last numbers, that means from the ones place. Look at here. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 7, as like that way 73,000, 7,34,543. Okay, you have to write here expansion. I will write here expansion, that is 7 into 1 lakh plus again 3 at the 10,000 places, so 3 into 10,000. Then is 4 is the 4 is at the thousands place, so I have to write here 4 into 1000 plus 5 is at the 100 place, so I will write here 5 into 100. 4 is at the tens place, so I will write here 4 into 10, and 3 is at the ones place, so I will write here 3 into 1. Okay, as like that you have to solve that next question yourself in your notebook. Okay, similarly we can include numbers up to crore as shown below. Okay, you can solve this yourself, so try to solve in your notebook. It is very easy. Just concentrate on your study. You can solve this. And you can make other formats of tables for writing the numbers in expanded form. Okay, you have to write this expanded from also a crore numbers. So while writing, the use of commas is very important. There are the two types of systems, that is Indian, Indian's system of numeration and international system of numeration. First we will see about the Indian system of numeration. Look at here examples. 5 crore 8 lakh 1,592. You can see this after 3 places, that is ones, tens and 100 place, we make the comma. We draw here comma. After 1000 and 10,000 place, we make here comma. After lakh and 10 lakh place, we make here comma. After crore, there is a number. So there are the such families. Ones, hundreds, one, tens and 100 is a one family. 1000 and 10,000 is the another family. Lakh and 10 lakhs is the another family. Crore and 10 crores is the family. That means we have to put the first comma after last 3 digits. Then we have to put the commas after two digits. Look at here carefully. Here after 3 digits, we draw here first comma, and after 2 digits, we here a comma. Same in this example also. From the last, after 3 digits, we wrote here first comma. Then after every 2 digits, we draw here a comma. Okay, try reading the numbers given above and write 5 more numbers in this form and read them. The another international system of numeration is international system. Okay. In the international system of numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundred, thousands, and then millions. 1 million is a 10 is a thousand thousands. Commas are used to mark thousands and billions. It comes after every three digits from the right, and the first comma marks thousands, in the next comma marks millions. And for example, the number look at here carefully. In the Indian system, every time from the last, we are going to draw the comma from the last. From after the last three digits, we are going to draw first comma, and afterwards, after every two digits, we are going to draw comma. But at the international system, look at here carefully. While we are going to write the international numeration, from after last three digits, we have to put the our first comma. But every time, again after three digits, we have to put another commas. In Indian system, after every two digits we are going to put commas, but in international system, after 300, after three digits we are going to put comma. Okay, so look at here. 1 billion is equal to 1000 billion. So as like that, you have to solve this. Okay, read these numbers and write them using placement boxes and write their expanded form. The first question is 4,75,320. Second is, try to read it, that is 98,47,215. The third one is 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310, and then 3 crore 4 lakh 58,994. Which is the smallest, which is the greatest number? Arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, all these examples are easy. I'm not going to tell you the answer. You have to solve this yourself, and while solving, if there is a problem or if there are any queries, you can ask me, or you can write in comment box. Read these numbers, okay, and try to solve these both questions also. Can you help me to write the numerals? You can stop this video, read this and write the numerals. Okay, we will write here 42 lakhs and 42 70,000, that means again 70,000 and 8, that means at 100 place and 10 place there is no one number, so 42 lakhs 70,000 and 8. 2 crore 90 lakh, that means I have to write here 90. 55,000, I will write here 55. 800, so 8, but at the 10th place and 1st place there doesn't show any numbering, so I will write here 0. 7 crore 60,055. 7 crore 60,000. After crore there will be the lakh, and at the lakh place there is no number, so I will write here 0, the lakhs, and at the place of lakhs and 2 lakhs. 60,000, so I will write here 60,000. 55, that means at 100 place there is no number, so I will write here 0 and 55. Okay, these are the answer, and as like this you have to solve other sums also. So the next is our exercise. So first we will complete the afterwards we will solve the exercise. Just listen this video as much as possible. Try to listen this video many times, and with the help of this video you can solve this exercise 1.1. Look at here carefully. I am going to show this exercise 1.1. You have to solve this yourself. Afterwards we will discuss about the exercise 1.1. Here are the first question is about the fill in the blanks. Second is the place commas correctly and write the numeral. third one we have to insert commas according to Indian system, and fourth is that we have to insert commas according to international system. So this is the our exercise. By stopping this video, you can see this exercise for 1.1 and solve in your notebook. When school will reopen, we will check it. I will check it, and if there are any queries, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.